Oh my gosh, I didn't do backrooms because I oofed. And also, just letting you know, this video has a lot of jump scares. And especially, I'll recommend to get out of this video if you're afraid of spiders, because there are spiders. And also, I'll try to remember to add countdowns to the jump scare. If I don't, I'm gonna have to delete the video and redo it. So, yeah, guys, roll the intro! What's up, everybody? This is Piggler. Okay, well, guys, today it's me, Piggler. Oh, and, hi, Turtle. Hi, wait, well, oh, wait, whales? Wait, those are not real whales, but you can get eaten by whales, actually. The reason how whales don't eat people on purpose, but imagine, if you were just swimming in the ocean sometimes whales jump, like sometimes whales like jump out of the sea to eat a lot of fish, and and there's a small chance that you can get eaten by one because how big they are. Okay, so we are trying this game called Bird Horror. Oh, and guys, play this game at your own risk. These are the reasons why I'm telling you that. I'm telling you to play this game at your own risk because if you don't like blood, I think that this game has blood. So don't worry, guys. I'm not gonna show the blood because we don't allow blood on our channel. Oh, and guys, did you notice that there are 5 days till my birthday? Yeah, guys. There's 5 days till Piggler's birthday. Okay. And do you know who's Piggler? Me! Okay, so, Bird Horror, do you want to install this app? I'll tell you how to do this soon. I'm gonna soon do a video of how to install Bird Horror. By the way, let's begin. Okay, so the app's installed. Okay, so let's keep the door open. Let's open the app. Okay. I guess I'll allow my microphone. Probably do not do this. I like risking stuff, but you might not want to allow your microphone because they could do stuff to you. But I'm a risky person, so I'm gonna do it. What was that? Get me out of here. Are you kidding me? There's a monster in tutorial. Where am I? What was that? That was extremely scary. I guess I've rejoined the game. That was actually scary. Let's join the code 1, I guess. Hello? I'm there. Ow! Yeah. Hello? I'm new to this game.
Yo, I'm new to.
Yo, hi guys.
I didn't even change my color of my name!
Hey, guys, do not go over there.
You have to stay in here now. You have to stay in here.
I'm new to this game. I'm gonna risk it. Okay, guys, so before we join the code, Okay. Hello?
Memory, bring back Gubby.
What are we at?
I want the
Is
spider.
everyone at
Hello, spider. Oh,
what?
That's
That's why
themselves.
it's called
Where's
Spider.
oh wait,
no spider,
Spider
don't blame
Forest.
I think this.
Now I know why it's called Spider Forest, because there are spiders.
in the forest.
Yo, I thought it was
It's a forest full of not realistic spiders. Scared of spiders.
Hope there's no spiders in Spider Forest. Is that okay. I'm good. A spider? Oh. Good grief.
Guys,
Yo,
I
we
play
should
this
go get the
when
spiders.
I play this
We should
when
bring
only
them
with my
to
one
us.
hand.
Okay.
Realistic then.
Hey, kinda, yeah. Uh-oh.
I'm out of this map. I'm out. Goodbye. Goodbye.
Hey,
Where's the Lucy, guys? Where's Lucy?
I don't like spiders.
come down here.
I'm
They're
hungry.
creepy.
I'll get you a spider for you.
What's this block? Whoa!
There's a spider right there.
Dude, he got
Yo,
scared.
guys,
Dude got scared, bro.
Again, like
Dude
this.
got
Spider's
so
doing
scared he left the game, guys. Oh, but dude got
I didn't left the game.
Don't bring it over here.
Buddy, what's on you? Pete, what's on you?
Come back. I'm going.
What map did everyone go to? Please,
we're
not
leaving
Spider Forest. Okay. Let's do
Let's go
what map sounds the less scariest? Cause I'm new to this game.
Area
Cave maze,
51,
cave
Area
maze,
51.
Cave maze. No,
Cave maze?
is not that scary.
Go-
Brick maze doesn't sound. Brick maze.
They're area
Brick maze
51.
doesn't sound scary. Brick maze sounds the less scariest.
Yeah, let's go then.
Cave maze is not even that scary. Their volume is so far away, so that they're not close to each other. Indoors is the office
Indoors?
with one spider.
Wait, no, I don't like spiders, so
Keep the
no.
chase.
Pizza chase? I want to see spiders. Okay,
Oh,
I'm
no,
in this
you were right.
office.
There are spiders.
Yo, I'm
in
safe
here.
here. I'm safe here.
Hope there's no spiders.
Someone, please don't bring the spider.
Someone
Yeah, let's
bring the
bring
spider.
spider.
Let's go. Let's go.
Let's go,
Spiders
ladies. Come
glitch.
on.
Where are the birds
Oh,
in this
God.
store?
There's a spider! Behind!
Yo, where'd he come from, bro?
Oh,
Cats?
what's that? What the heck is that?
Spider Forest? Wait, what was that
Monkey
scream?
Marathon.
Forest.
Monkey
Monkey
Marathon, I
Forest.
guess. I guess I'll
Oh
go
my
there.
god!
He almost fell.
Guys, there's a slow monster. There's a slow monster over there.
I don't like this game. What map is everyone at?
Yo!
Yo, get it up.
Yo!
Let's go to cave maze.
Cave maze? Sure, cave maze. There better not be any spiders in there, because this game has a lot of spiders. What's that whispering?
Guy.
Okay, so
Tell me.
somebody's
You
whispering
gotta
in
touch
my
that
ear.
guy over there. Don't go any of the
Yo,
other
one
ways.
map, one map.
All the-
We're in cave maze.
Hi, Ben.
Guys, I hear whispering.
Then you will
Yo,
perish.
there's one over there.
Yeah, that's bad news.
Whispering is
Yo,
bad
yo,
news.
Yo!
Yo!
Why did y'all bring me here? Ah!
It's not coming, guys.
Don't go to Brick Maze.
Oh my god, it's right there.
He was right behind green.
Go to
there.
Brick Maze.
Okay,
Forest,
that's the one
forest, or something.
Forest.
Brick-
Okay, brick.
Go to
Yeah,
Forest.
we picked.
Wait,
Yeah,
Spider
red
Forest.
I
We're doing
picked.
Here
Spider.
we go.
Brick Maze.
All right.
Spider bar.
Wait, I can't get copyrighted, so I can't go there. Oh!
No,
Now the music is gone.
Okay,
What is that?
What the?
No,
Obviously.
Let's follow
I know that it's a monster, but it's a scary smiley face.
Yo, what the fuck? I
Tutorial,
subscribe.
it's the tutorial monster because he's beautiful.
Tutorial monster.
Yeah, just heard.
All right, can I go too close to the tutorial?
And the monster nearby.
I don't like this.
There's so dead. There's so dead. He's stuck. Because the tutorial, there is
Go back, everyone.
Yeah, go back, go back.
Let's go indoors. Let's go indoors.
No, there's a spiner. I just literally
Yeah,
went to this
I'm
room that said
Spiders, but when
hat.
did I care that I was scared?
Yo, guys.
I'm scared of acrophobia. I'm acronophobia.
No, the spider's still in there.
Yeah, the
just
spider's
getting
gone.
used to spiders.
Whatever what you do not go to that room that says hat.
The old,
yeah.
This is the old. This map is special for one reason.
Look at him.
Who's that?
Look at Big Boy.
Oh.
This reminds me of the Roblox game.
Oh god. Oh god.
Run!
Let's go. They can go through walls. They can go through walls.
What? What do you
Yes.
really want? You could.
Yeah. Okay, we're safe. We're
No,
safe.
I'm not going back up
It's
there.
gone.
I'm not going back
I
too.
hear him. All right, then. Let me
Well,
say.
I'm so happy.
Different
they
map.
came back.
No, guys. Guys, we just got across one that screen.
Let's do, I'm gonna go to city for a bit.
Old office. I mean,
Yeah,
new
you
office.
But
I'm
I'm gonna go and get me some cosmetics.
It's gonna cave glass then. Yeah, just don't look in the mirror or don't go towards the presents.
After you.
I risked it. Okay, I risked it. I risked it. I
Nope, no,
risked it. I risked it.
go.
Oliver.
He's right at.
Don't go to the presents or signs.
Signs? There are no signs. There are only presents.
I would not recommend.
Start recording.
I like risking stuff, so I'm gonna risk it.
Guys, this way,
Cause someone has the pineapple hat, and I feel like, and I originally wear a crown.
I'm right here, bro. I'm behind you.
You know, I'm a speed run
But
this.
when I play like modded gorilla tag games, I wear a coconut hat.
We go this way. Bob, this way. You guys, let's follow Bob.
This way.
Go lower.
Okay.
This way.
You'll see what I mean, but okay.
Yeah, when we
What are you
find.
doing?
When you find us.
Oh, I thought you guys were
When
Try and get him down. Oh, this is where I died because
Whoa!
of my gun. He's
Yo!
gone. The spider.
Yeah, you great.
Yo, we somehow.
Get up here!
Seem like lonely and me clown.
It's all day.
We want you lonely. Bob?
Yo guys, we're gonna put this in.
Rest in peace, Bob.
Yo guys, we're gonna put this in fast motion.
Yeah, let's suffer. No, Lucy's coming.
And I'm out of the game flying.
No, try completing bad rooms. I know that's not finished, but we could try like doing the rest of it.
We should go punch mod.
Yeah, do punch mod. The punch mod.
Let's do pizza chain.
Oh, I somehow he didn't kill me last time.
Punch
I know.
mod?
I'm in pizza chase right now.
Yeah, let's try fighting each other.
Oh, yeah.
Come here!
No.
Ah!
You're gonna have.
Guys, like for part 2. Oh, and this is it. Bye.